Alright, this is the freeze plug right here. See it? New freeze plug, old freeze plug. Take a socket, you beat it out. See that? Now, fun part begins. Turn it. Pull it out with pliers. Sometimes you gotta take a screwdriver and help it out. You can see it don't want to come out, so you put this in there and kind of help it. Hit it with the hammer sometimes. There we go. See that? Now, wipe this off. Finger, rag. See that? We still videoing. Take a little glue. Call it frog snotch. Weather stripping. Just a little dab around that edge. Okay. Don't have to get crazy with it. Just something to help it seal it up. Get it right there. Put your lid on there. Take your other socket. Try not to touch the glue. Hold it the best you can. Take the hammer. And you want it to be level, in just a hair. See how it's not in all the way? You go back in. It's going. Almost. See that top keep going just a little bit. Good enough. Take your rag, wipe it off. There's that. Now, okay, that's the end of this part.